And just pour a light layer of that green enchilada sauce. Use your little spatula, spread it around. We already sprayed down the dish with a little bit of avocado oil too. We're gonna start with the layer of corn tortillas. They can overlap, don't worry about that. A little bit of chopped bacon, to about half of the bacon you've already done. Think of this as like a Mexican breakfast casserole lasagna. We're gonna build layers as we go. Get some of that cooked sausage in. We're gonna go in with some Southwestern style hash browns. Push those out so they kind of spread out and get evenly in there. Then we're gonna go in with a little bit of freshly grated mild cheddar. I'm a pretty mild kind of guy, but if you like some sharp cheddar, do your thing. We're gonna knock in some green chilies. These are the fire roasted green chilies. And this is something you could omit if you don't want no chilies in there, but I suggest you leave the chilies in the recipe. It adds a certain, just a mild heat. It's mild peppers, but it's gonna add that good flavor. Oven's ready for us. I'm gonna deal out a couple more tortillas in there. We'll push them up. And again, they're overlapping, it's okay. Some more. Going with the rest of your bacon. Guys, this is a hearty casserole. I haven't even cooked this yet and it already smells good because of the green chilies, those potatoes. You can smell the sausage and the bacon. Just going with the rest of the sausage. And spread it on out. Guys, I hope you're getting excited watching this one. Thumbs up down below. You know this is gonna be good. A little bit more of that good enchilada sauce. The verde enchilada sauce, as it were. Got 8 eggs here we're gonna whip up. But first thing we're gonna add is a little bit of my West Coast shake. Guys, this is my own personal barbecue seasoning. Comment down below if you wanna give it a try. But this is definitely all the flavors of the West Coast, and it's gonna add so much to this Mexican breakfast casserole. So we're gonna add about a tablespoon of this into the eggs. And then we get it whipped up. It'll have all the flavors running through there. Don't sleep on this stuff. All right, let's get our eggs whipped. Whip it good. Hope I don't get copywritten. All right, all whipped up. Let's get it on that casserole. Okay, let's pour those eggs in. Oh yeah, boys and girls. Looking good, looking good. We're just gonna take our little spatula here, just kind of mix things around. Push it down, make sure the egg is kind of getting distributed through the casserole there. Add the rest of our cheese in there. All right, just a nice little topper, get a nice and golden brown on top. And crunchy, crusty on the edges there. All right, looking good. This thing is put together. It came together too quick. You have everything set up, your mise en place is done, and you just start combining it, and you come up with this beautiful casserole, okay? We're gonna put it in the big oven, 350, about 30 to 45 minutes. You just wanna make sure the eggs cooked all the way through, right? Then we'll pull it out of the oven, let it cool down, and then we'll give it a taste test. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're looking golden brown and lovely. Let's pull this out and let it rest. We're looking good, baby. We have let this cool down just a little bit because we still want it hot while we're eating it, right? Right. So I'm gonna take a knife, kind of trace around the outside right here. We're gonna cut off the corner piece. You know the corner piece is where it's at. You don't agree with that, then, you know, I just can't know you. I don't wanna know your name. The corner piece is the best piece on anything. Brownies, mac and cheese, breakfast casseroles. All right, and it's not even up for debate. All right, y'all. That is looking too dang good. Get that nice and golden brown on the top. Flavor packing in there. Let's get it on a plate. Let's get a bite. Who's ready to take a bite? I mean, I know I am. Let's get a big old bite. You wish you were here right now. You know what? You can't be here, but this recipe is down below. Make this. Tag me when you make this. Tell me how much you love it. I mean, say it with me, baby. You know it's good.